Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a campaign to subscribers with a specific tag in your email list. First, let's go take a look at all the lists that we have in this account. As you can see, we have two lists. Some subscribers within these two lists have exactly the same tag called clients, because they actually made a purchase on the funnel or the site and was given the tag client. What we want to do is to send a Happy New Year discount coupon to these people with the tag clients. So let's quickly go take a look which of the 4 subscribers that you see right here have that specific client tag before we set up the campaign. So on the left hand side, we are going to go to subscribers and we are going to click on all subscribers. So now it's going to show you all the subscribers and all the lists that you have, even the ones in the past if you have deleted them. So you can see we've got quite a lot there, and we are going to click on add a condition, and we're going to choose subscribers that has got the tag that exists. We're not going to choose does not exist, and we're going to choose the tag clients, and we're going to click search. As you can see, there was 2 clients that we found. One was declerk.jackie, the other one Jackie Declerk. So let's go make double sure that these 2 actually have that tag on the list. You can check it right here via the overview, but I want to show you the 2 other options as well. So we're going to go back to subscribers, back to lists, and then we are going to go to the subscriber list we want to work with, which is going to be pets list for this example. We're going to hover, go to subscribers, and there is the Jackie one that's got the tag. So let's go take a look. If I click on update, you will see the client tag sitting right there. If I click on overview, you're also going to see the tag right there. If we're going to go to the other one or the other subscriber, and we're going to click on update, you're going to see they do not have that tag. All right. And let me go again to overview, and you can see the tag has not been given. So basically what we've confirmed is out of the 4 subscribers, there is 2 of them that is going to get this email as of today's date. All right. So now we're going to go to the campaign. We're going to create the campaign, and we're just going to say all campaigns. Then we're going to create a new one. And because this is a once-off that we want to be sent at a specific date, we are going to choose regular. So let's pretend that we want to send them a Happy New Year discount coupon, like that one. I'm going to choose regular. You can make sure that it's regular at the top. We're going to choose the first list that we want to work with. There's no segmentation at the moment and no sequence, because this is the first one we are creating. Now, because you can add multiple lists, it doesn't only have to be this one list. You can add extra recipients. So we're going to choose the health list. So if you've got 10 lists, you can all add them. Once that is done, you're going to see the segment filter. We're going to create a condition. The condition is that all subscribers that have the tag that exists and the tag's name is clients needs to get this specific email. So we're going to click save. Now you need to make sure that you've got your verified email address there, where you can just click and choose the verified email. And then let's go create a subject line. We can just say Happy New Year discount. You're going to do your emails as normal. I just want to create something here because it will not work with lorem ipsum. And we're going to say yes, that's fine. And we are going to click save. And now right here at the top is when do you want to send this? Because we know that this is Happy New Year email, we're going to make sure that it is sent only on the 1st of the year. So on the 1st at 12 o'clock, that's when I want it to be sent. And you can activate a repetition if you want to. And then you can either just save it if you still need to make changes, or you can click Save and Activate. Now you can see that the existing campaign has been activated. Even if it says pending send, that is because this is not yet being sent. It's only going to be sent on the 1st of the next year. If it was something that had to be sent immediately, it would show sending. So right here, if you hover over this area where it's blue and you click on it, you're going to see all the lists that has been part of this specific campaign. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another. Bye.